I can't remember when you were there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. And I swear I've been through everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. Through the years, you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest day I found in you. Through the years, you never been afraid. I love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stay right here with you through the